Welcome, this is Austin from Tclassified.com. Today I'm going to be bringing you information concerning the post UTME that is currently going on for different schools. Currently, different schools are doing the registration for their pre-screening. Some schools have already started writing their pre-screening. So if you are not fully aware about the pre-screening or the post-UTME registration or exams for your school, you need to go online and search. Simply log on to Google and try the school, try typing in the name of the school that you wish to go to. A very good resource material for knowing this is our website www.jambwayeknekouni.com. You can see this is the website jambwayeknekouni.com. Just in your browser type in www.jambwayeknekouni.com. Once you get there, you see we constantly update you with various school pre-screenings. So as you can see, this is Ajayi Crowther University. This is talking about Lagos State University. So we update you things concerning the pre-screenings that are currently ongoing, so that you know the steps. So once you read through, you're going to see the steps that are involved in registering for that such a school, including the web address, because you need to know the right web address to go to. So this website is a very good resource for you to do your pre-screening, and constantly we update it with different schools like University of Abuja, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, UNN. They concluded their pre-screening registration on the 22nd. I don't know whether they extended it, but information regarding to all those you can get in our website www.jambwayeknekouni.com. And not just that, you can also get to see past questions for post UTME or for your normal JAMB and WAEC. You can look at this side of the screen where my cursor is moving. You can see a whole lot of things. If you want to, if you need help in your assignments and projects, if you want to learn mathematics, JavaScript, JAMB past questions, many things that you need as a student, you can see them. You can see this for Benson Idahosa University. So different university and what they need, you can get all of them on this our website. So it's a very good resources for students. If you need help with the assignments, you can click on this submit assignment, so that you can submit any assignment that we can help you solve. That you can see, put in your name, your phone number, and email, where we'll send the assignment to when we are done, and you submit. So you do a lot of things on this website to help students. You can also support us by clicking on this donate. Once you click on this donate button, you're going to see our account details where you can support us with any amount that you feel it's okay. You can get lectures, any lecture that you want from as a student. You have if you're preparing for your JAM, geography, government. Once you click on any of these, say you click on government, you're going to see a full lecture on that very course. So this is a composite website for students. Can help them to prepare for their exam. You can see this government, and it's actually done with the curriculum, the wire curriculum, the JAM curriculum. You can see the definition of government, basic concepts in government, forms of government, arms of government, the executive, judiciary, and the rest of them. So all the subjects that you prepare for in JAM, even university courses, you have them here. Physics 103, Maths 103. So this is a composite website for students. You can use it to get to know about your post-screening applications, get information, any information that you need as a student, you can get them from here. Please hit the subscribe button if you like these videos. The subscribe button by this side of the screen. Click the bell icon so that anytime we drop any video, you'll be able to get them. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. You can also call our phone number +234 70671 62698, +234 70671 62698. That is our number, and you can see the number here. The same as this, +234 70671 62698. We do coaching for students. If if you're having problem with mathematics and other courses, we can help pull you through so that you become good. We prepare people or students for JAM, for WAEC. And when you're in the university, we also help you with normal courses that will help you improve in your academics. That's principally what we do. We also coach students in programming and computer operations to help them improve in their skills. So if this is the first time of you hitting up this channel, please hit the subscribe button immediately so that whenever we drop videos that concern you as a student, you will be the first to get them. So post UTME is currently going on. Make sure you go. If you are having any problem, you can call my number for the school that you want to apply for, so that I can advise you on all those. Thank you for your subscriptions and support. God bless you.